How you doing, guys? How you doing? Today we're talking about Bitcoin SV, Satoshi Vision. And as you can see here, it pumped from 170 up to 197 and then had some retracement, and it goes up and down and up and down, and this is clearly some kind of triangle pattern. It looks like kind of bullish flag. So basically what we want to know is this a real thing, man? Is this something we should be noticing? Is this something we should be trading? Hello traders. Is this something that's significant to the Bitcoin SV? Now, if you do not know, I made a video a couple of days ago, maybe more than a couple of days ago, a week ago, something like that. I said 3 coins to buy when Bitcoin dumps, and one of those 3 coins was Bitcoin SV. So we are actually expecting Bitcoin SV to pump. When it's gonna happen, we don't know, and we want to check out if this is the actually start of the pump. So we're gonna do some price prediction on the Bitcoin SV, some technical analysis, and look at some averages, look at some meme lines, and see where it is going. Okay, stick around. So basically, oh, before I start, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. So basically, we have this pump over here. It went up and down, but we have to zoom out if we're gonna get anything out of this. And it is a significant pump, because you can see here the price was slowly up, down, 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 and just pumped really hard. And this was how big was this pump over here, man? This pump over here was 16%. 16%. This is a 1 hour candle, so in 1 hour it pumped 16%. And now we're getting either pull back down or some kind of triangle over here. I'm rooting for triangle because I think it's gonna go up, but more on that later. So basically what we wanna know is what's happening, man. What's happening? So let's zoom out more. Let's go to the daily, the one that matters. This is the price of the price chart of the Bitcoin SV since November 2018. So the thing you cannot see here first, if you start drawing a line, is this line down here, man. It's such a beautiful line. It hits this bottom over here, these bottoms, and now hitting these bottoms over here. And I mean, if it's ever a good time to buy Bitcoin SV, I think now it has to be a good time to buy it. Like, look at this this area over here. I think this is some kind of accumulation period. It's getting close to the end. We can also start drawing the upper bands, and this upper band is really important. So at once you can see that we are not actually out of the triangle. So don't get too excited just yet. We might try to get out of the triangle. How are we gonna get out of the triangle? That is not so easy to tell. Let's clear this up. Let's use magnet for this one. Let's put it up here. Let's be precise. It hit it up there. Let's not use the wicks. Let's use down here. Now you see that's actually breaking. So depends on how you draw the line. It all depends on how you draw the line, which wicks to use, which are more correct than others, and stuff like that. So let's assume this is the actual decent pattern, because this price action over here happened on a lot of tokens and coins. The price went out of those of the triangles, and then Bitcoin had a 16% dump, right? And everything dumped back into the triangle. Especially my Chainlink video failed because of this Bitcoin dump, and went back into the triangle or rising wedge that's happening on the Chainlink. And now I think this is the second time it's starting to get out. In one video I said that bullish engulfing candles and stuff like that or bearish engulfing candles are candles that should be ignored. This was almost bearish engulfing candle because it didn't close it below this part over here, but I think you can say with certain amount of certainty that this should be disregarded in the price action. So the price actually went up, went back down because of the dump. It tried to go up there, it went down, so we should actually just look at it, that it went slowly upwards, and now it's actually trying to break out of the triangle. So this actually looks like decent breakout out of the triangle. If you look on the 4 hourly, we can see that the price broke out, went back down to the line up, and now it's going down. So we got had some retest on the line in the 4 hourly. I think we can see it better on the hourly. See here, down, retest on the line, went back up, and what's gonna happen now? We have to just look at the price action, and we have to look at this, follow this triangle that's forming here right now, depending on how you draw it. Something like this. Maybe not. And we want to see if it's going to break on the upside or downside. Also, we want to see if the price is actually going to go up, or is it going to go down and come back to the starting point. If it comes back to the starting point, it's almost like bearish engulfing candle or something like that. Price action, that's not a matter, but it's a start. It's a start for the breakout. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out more. We go back to the daily. Zoom out. This is a triangle we are actually waiting for the breakout. I mean, there's not a lot of time left. Like 2nd January, I think this month is gonna break out and it's gonna really high. So now comes the really nice now comes the really nice part of the video that I call price prediction of Bitcoin SV part of the video. So how much can we, what price can we expect the price of the Bitcoin SV to go to? Now we're gonna look at historically how much has pumped from the line, right? So every time it gets to the line down here, and we're gonna, the highest top over here is 253%. Same goes here from the bottom to the top. Let me move this over here. From bottom to the top, 420%. Here from the bottom to the top, 137%. Bottom to the top, total band 477%. Are we gonna call this the bottom? It's not actually down all the way to the line. Let's use the line 120. This isn't the bottom. This is the bottom over here. So the question is, from this bottom over here, you see it touches the line. How far up can we go? And this is like 250, 420, 470, 130. So around 300%. Let's say 300%. That's somewhere there in the ballpark. 606. Let's run it down to 600. 600. So the upside is 300%. And as you can see on Bitcoin SV, the price is actually going really fast up. I mean, these are daily candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like in a week or so, it starts slowly, and then goes parabolic. Now, how long are these? This is 34 bars, 34 days, 1 month. And this one used only like 2 days to get to the top. 29 bars, okay. 29 bars a month, right? Let's continue. Right from this here to the top, 31 bars. So basically it uses around a month's time to get to the top. And this one over here, 25 bars. So what we can expect here as well is once it starts going parabolic, well, let's use this bottom over here, 29 bars, 30 bars, 1 month over here. What date is this? 26th December. Merry Christmas, everybody! On the Christmas day, from now to the Christmas day, we're gonna have a 300% pump. That's 3x. If this is correct though. Of course, this is the fallacy of the history. Like, you should never believe what has happened before is gonna happen again, because you are surely to fail. Just like we failed when we did the Bitcoin. Hope that Bitcoin is gonna come down and close the gap on the 9.6 that never closed because it closed all the other gaps, right? And I know there are some people saying like there's a gap on the 3K that's not closed. That gap is on 4 hourly. This gap is on daily, and there are no daily gaps that are not closed. That's what I'm gonna say. I mean, there are a huge amount of gaps on the 5-minute charts, right? But we are looking on the daily chart. That's the important one. So the follow C on the history, you have to be worried about, because just because something has happened before doesn't mean it's gonna happen again. Also, this doesn't have to go up to 300%, doesn't have to go up to 100%, doesn't have to do anything. It can actually go down. But since we are in the bull market, everything is bullish. Even Bitcoin Gold is going up 300%, around 600. Target is around 600. Our target is around for Bitcoin SV is around 600, just based on this right now. But this is a terrible way to chart a target. Let's see if we can draw some other lines to see if we can get some, maybe top should be something like this. Where is the top? 700. Yeah. Okay, so 700 top. Maybe here and 26. Where is 26th? 26 is here, so 750. Yeah, maybe that's top. Anyways, we're gonna run around to 600 and say Bitcoin SV to 600 by Christmas. That's gonna be our title for the video. Merry Christmas, everybody! Bitcoin SV to $600. So that's how much we got now. Anyways, let's recap on the the meme lines. We got this line over here that's actually been broken now for the second time. It looks like it's closing below it, but it's not. Let's draw this line actually perfect with the VIX. Let's use the VIX. The VIX, because it hits it here, top there, top here, breaks down here. I like the line. It's fine. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. And you see here, it's gonna close above the. It has to close on the daily. It has to close above 177. If it does close above 177, we actually broke the resistance and we are going up. So so far so good. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you MACD. I'm gonna show you MACD. This is the MACD, and I'm gonna show you MACD on the weekly. It's beautiful. On the MACD on the weekly, we just got a bullish cross. Keep that in mind. Bullish cross on the MACD on the weekly. Let's see here, when we got a bullish cross here, we pumped all the way up there, and then we got and that it was sell off. The last time we had bullish cross was over here as well. That was also pump. Didn't we just draw this? Yeah, but we didn't. This didn't go all the way down. So every time we get a bullish cross, the price goes up. But this was in the bear market, so the price didn't go up. But now we had the bullish cross. We're gonna also cross the zero line over here. So weekly looks really good on the MACD. MACD really good. Daily also looks like we're gonna get a bullish cross on the MACD again on the daily. So all good. Not much to get out of that. Weekly we got nothing. RSI, we got nothing on the RSI. It's keeping now it's around 50, so it's neutral. But we have to start getting bigger action. What we want to see on the RSI is that when price start moving up and start doing this, is that it keeps above some level like 55, 60, and start bouncing on this level up here. That's what we want to see for the RSI. But on weekly we got nothing right now. Still neutral on the RSI on the daily. So RSI MACD weekly is looking perfect. I mean, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. That's why I think it pumped right now. What did I say? 16-17%. That's because we got this bullish cross. Also breaking the triangle, out of the triangle. So really good. Okay guys, I won't keep you up for much longer over here, but it's nice triangle, man, and it's breaking out of the triangle. You are actually breaking out the triangle. So watch Bitcoin SV, watch Bitcoin Cash, watch EOS. Those are the 3 coins I said to watch for, to buy, to trade once the Bitcoin dump happens. I'm not actually sure what's happening with Bitcoin right now. Let's just go quick and look at Bitcoin right now. And this is the weekly, this is daily. On the daily, what's happening on the daily? You see the MACD is not crossing, it's starting going down. We are getting this bearish divergence here, if you can call it something like this. We're getting divergence. So how much is it gonna correct or not? Will it correct? Will it not correct? It's just too scary to buy. I told my wife, like, that, I mean, if you're gonna wait to 100,000, you can buy at 20,000. But if there's gonna come to a correction, like, it can go up to 30 and then get 40%, 30% correction and still be above 20,000, you know, and then you missed your train. But whether you buy 2022 or waiting down to 14, I don't know. Anyways, that's the Bitcoin SV video. If you like the video, like the video. If you wanna see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel, man. Daily videos on altcoins, what we can trade. We're trying to find the good stuff. We're trying to find the good stuff. So right now our good stuff is Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, EOS. Those are 3 coins we are waiting for to get out now. Whether it's gonna get out or not, we are not quite sure. We're gonna have to wait and see. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.